Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are making project number 3 of the All the Best December 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I've got my card base, I've got my greeting embellishment, and I've got my 2 dandelion half wreaths. So let's get started. I am so excited to make this one. I love wreaths. I love making wreaths on cards. So I've got my Hello Friend stamp, and I'm just going to make sure I've got good coverage, and I do, and this goes right in the middle. And I have a friend with a January birthday, and this is going to be their birthday card, so I'm so excited about this one. There we go. So there's our Hello Friend. Then I need to turn this over, and I need to put tear and tape top and bottom. So one piece like that, and one piece like this. And then I need to turn my wreath pieces over, and I need to put dimensionals on those. I need to put one on the flower there, and then 2 down here on these pieces. If you have mini dimensionals and want to put some smaller ones on other edges, you absolutely can. But let's get this card built. I'm so excited about this one. All right, so we're going to peel our backings off. And this goes right in the middle of the front of the card, making sure we're straight. There we go, just like that. Then we take these and we place them on the circle. So I'm going to take off our backing pieces. And these don't go, they go slightly off center. So line up this flower with kind of the middle there. And put that down like that. And then we take the other one and do the same thing on the opposite side. Oh, I am in love with this card. So we do the same thing, kind of line it up towards the middle, and then there we go. So there is our card. I need to add some bling to it. I've got one of the large blings here and a smaller one right beside it there. And then I've got a large and a small here, and I'll have to find the other small one. So this goes here like this, and then we do this like that, and I need to find that one last small one. Oh, it goes up here, and they've put 2 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's actually 6 little ones because there's another one over here that gets done, I think. Oh no, you know what? I got that wrong. This is actually what I'm looking at is just part of the leaf. So that one can go over there like that. And just rub the adhesive off there. Perfect. All right, so that is project number 3. Again, so excited to be able to give this card to a friend of mine for her January birthday. And stay tuned for those alternate cards using elements from this 2023 December Paper Pumpkin Kit.